Hi, folks. We're back with John Yoo, of course, former Deputy Assistant Attorney General at DOJ, Professor of Law at Berkeley Law School. And I don't want to throw you a curve, but I do want to change up the pace here for a second. Today, the United States Patent and Trademark Office canceled the Washington Redskins trademark registration. They said the football team's name was disparaging to Native Americans. Now, I don't know what the legalities are of the trademark, the Patent and Trademark Office, but it seems to me to be arbitrary. And I'm not a lawyer. It seems to me that this opens up the door and sets a precedent that any company that they think the name is offensive to gays or blacks or Jews or Native Americans or whatever, they could just do the
way.
Yeah, and what does it say about us that that the government would be willing, a government agency would be willing to make this determination? And by the way, in the face of polls from Native Americans that show it's not offensive to them by 80%.
That's right. That's what I mean. I think this kind of precedent, if it's allowed to stand, would allow any two or three people who are bothered by anything. And in this country, you can always find two or three people who are bothered by anything, to go to the
Yep.
government and say, take that person's trademark away. They can't name their team that. That school can't have that kind of mascot. This is something that regular Americans should handle with good taste and civility, not asking the government to choose our team
Yep.
mascots. I mean, I know Obama likes to run the country, but I don't think he should be choosing the team mascots for every football team, college, and high school in the country.
Yeah, well, you never know. You never know. He makes those picks in the NCAA. He's a big sports fan. He can't name one White Sox player, but he's the biggest White Sox fan in the world. Always remember that. And he called it Kaminsky Field when it's Comiskey Park. But otherwise, he's a big White Sox fan. Anyway, John, great to talk to you, sir. Look forward to it again. Thank you.
Oh, my pleasure. It's a great pleasure being with you.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate that. John Yoo, ladies and gentlemen. We'll be back with General Michael Hayden and the remainder of the Steve Malzberg Show. But first, today's American Moment, taking a look back at the day John Wayne won his Oscar.
It was a night filled with stars as Hollywood came out in strength to honor its own at the 42nd Academy Awards. Nominated for Best Actor that year were Dustin Hoffman, Jon Voight, Richard Burton, Peter O'Toole, and John Wayne. Born Marion Morrison in Winterset, Iowa, even at birth, the future movie icon was breaking records, weighing in at 13 pounds. After graduating from USC on a football scholarship, this young man became an aspiring actor, changed his name to John Wayne, and the rest became box office history. A veteran of some 150 films, Wayne received his first Best Actor Award nomination in 1939 for his role in The Sands of Iwo Jima. It would take more than 3 decades later, until April 7, 1970, before the Academy honored him once again. But this time, he won the Best Actor Award for his role as a one-eyed sheriff in True Grit.
I've said it before, and I'll say it again. I think this is a great country.
Actress Maureen O'Hara, when asked to describe her friend, summed up the man best with 3 words: